Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. In this video, we will learn how we can apply styles to the components in Android. So for example, I have these two large texts and two buttons here. So I want to change the style of these text boxes and these buttons. One way of doing this is just select your text area or text box and go to the property here and change the properties as you wish. The other way of doing this is go to the folder called values here and then go to the file called styles.xml, and here we can define the styles to our components, right? So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the styles which are by default given to these text box and this button. So I will go to the text section of this activity and I will remove the layout width, layout height and text appearance from here, okay, for each and every component. So I will do it for text view and I will do it for button like this, okay. Now you will notice when you go to the design, it will give you this rendering problem because we have just deleted the layout width and layout height and appearance of these text boxes and button, right? Now to give the styles which you want, you just need to go to this styles.xml file, and in here we can define a style. For example, first of all, you just need to give this style attribute here and then the name of the style. So the name of the style depends upon you, but it should be unique name. For example, my style 1, for example, right? And then just close the style, right? And inside the style, you can add some items related to appearance or width or height or whatever, right? So we can add an item and then we can decide what item or what attribute we want to add. So for example, I want to add the text style to the text view, right? So I will do this and then inside the text style I can write bold, okay. In the same way, I can add one more item, for example item, and this time I want to change the text color, right? So text color. Now for the text color, what you can do is you can search on your browser the web color Wikipedia page, and in here you can find all the web colors and their code, right? So for example, I want to choose this red color. I can choose it from copying this hash and FF and then 4 zeros from here, right? So copy it, go to your project and paste it here and with the hash, and you will notice it will show a red color here, right? So we know it's a red color, right? Now we will add one more item, and this time we want to choose the text appearance, okay. So choose text appearance and close it here, and for the text appearance you can give Android style and then the text appearance and then the large text appearance, so you can just choose large, okay. And now we can define the layout width and layout height of the style, okay. So just add an item here and then we will choose Android layout width first, so layout width, and this will be, for example, match parent, and in the same way we can just copy this and this time we can choose the layout height, right? So layout height, and this will be, for example, wrap content, okay. So this is our first style which we can do. In the same way, we can define multiple styles with different names. So for example, I want to add one more style. I can do it like this, but this time I will give it a name, my style 2, and this time the text style will be, for example, italic, and this color let's choose some other color from here. For example, I want to choose the green color. I will just copy this and paste it here, right? So it will become the green color. Okay. Now, in order to give the style to your button or text boxes, you just need to go to the text here, and in here you just need to give the style attribute. So give style and then style, and then choose your style. So if your style is my style 1, for example, you can do it like this, and in the text view second also you can inherit from this style. And for example, for buttons I want to give the style 2, so my style 2 here, right? And for the second button also I want to do this. Okay, and now when you go to the design, you will see the text with bold and red color, and button with italic and green color, right? So in this way you can apply styles to your component in Android. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.